Assalamu alaikum dear students. Students, in our last video we were doing the chemical properties of the halogens and we stopped with the topic that was about the oxides formation, right? And before that we have seen the hydrides. Today we are starting with the reactivity towards the metals. आपके हैलाइड्स मेटल से कैसी रिएक्टिविटी ऑब्टेन कर रहे हैं, वहाँ पे कैसी रिएक्टिविटी हो रही है, दैट्स व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू सी जस्ट नाउ. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. Halogen reacts with the metals to form the metal halides. आपका जो भी मेटल है वो हैलोजन के साथ कंबाइन होकर क्या फॉर्म कर रहा है, मेटल हैलाइड्स फॉर्म कर रहा है. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल ब्रोमीन रिएक्ट्स विद मैग्नीशियम टू गिव मैग्नीशियम ब्रोमाइड. आपका जो मैग्नीशियम है वो ब्रोमीन के साथ रिएक्ट होकर क्या बना रहा है, मैग्नीशियम ब्रोमाइड बना रहा है. ओके, द रिएक्शन इज गिवन ओवर हियर Mg plus Br2 that gives you MgBr2. Okay, that is in the solid state. Dear student, Mg is having 2 electrons in the outermost state and Br that is bromine is requiring the 1 electron and that is how it is forming the Mg and twice Br because it is contributing 1 electron to the bromine. The compound is over here, that is a ionic compound. Let us see the further. The ionic characteristic of the halide decreases in order. Mf is more stronger than MCl, which is more stronger than MBr, which is more stronger than Mi. It means आपका जो metal fluorides है वो ज़्यादा stronger है compared to metal chlorides. In turn, then metal bromides and metal iodides. Where M is the monovalent metal. आपका जो M है वो monovalent है. If the metal exhibits more than one oxidation state, the halides in the higher oxidation state will be more covalent. अगर ज़्यादा oxidation state में compound बन रहा है तो वो कैसा होगा, covalent in nature. Common sense की बात है कि अगर हम lower oxidation state पे जा रहे हैं तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉन ले रहे हैं from the metal, so that will be ionic. But if we go with the higher oxidation state of the halide, what we will be doing? Sharing of electron, and when we share the electron, it is covalent in nature. So we say that it is covalent in nature. For example, SnCl2, PbCl2, SbCl2 and UF6 are more covalent compared to SnCl2. Sorry, this was SnCl4, PbCl4, SbCl5. तो ये सारे 5, 4, 6 ज़्यादा ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट्स हुए, बड़े ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट्स हुए. So those are covalent, मतलब यहाँ पे शेयरिंग हो रहा है compared to SnCl2, PbCl2, SbCl3 and UF4. इसका मतलब जो लोअर ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट्स है वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, आयोनिक फॉर्मेशन, जबकि हायर ऑक्सीडेशन पे कोवैलेंट फॉर्मेशन. ओके, रिएक्टिविटी ऑफ द हैलाइड्स टुवर्ड्स द अदर हैलोजेंस. एक हैलोजन दूसरे हैलोजन के साथ कैसे कंबाइन होता है. ओके, एक हैलोजन अपने ही जैसे दूसरे हैलोजन से कंबाइन हो रहा है वो पता है. Cl and Cl is combining forming Cl2 molecule. But what when you talk about the intermixing of the different halides together, halogens together? Halogen combines again themselves to form the number of the compounds known as interhalogens. Interhalogens, okay. X, 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 3, X, 5, X, 7. 7 तक क्यों? क्योंकि वो 7 तक डिफरेंट ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट्स अवेलेबल करता है. Where X is a larger size halogen and X dash is a smaller size halogen. Very important. जो सिंपल X है जिसमें कोई डैश लगा हुआ नहीं है वो क्या है आपका, लार्जर साइज ऑफ दी हैलाइड. एंड जो जिसपे डैश लगा हुआ है वो कैसा है, स्मॉलर इन द साइज. ये क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कभी कभी. Fluorine exhibits only -1 oxidation state where the other halogens exhibit +3, +1, +5 and +7 oxidation states. So here we have the answer. Fluorine do not have the d orbital and therefore it cannot expand its oxidation state. Very simple answer. Fluorine के पास d orbital है ही नहीं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में, इसलिए वो हायर ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट गेन नहीं कर सकता. Is it clear? So that is the reason. See, chlorine preparation, if we talk about, it is prepared in 1774 by Sisley in the by the action of the HCl on the MnO2, manganese oxide. Okay, in 1810, Davy established its elementary nature and suggests the name chlorine on the account of its color. कलर के हिसाब से उसका नेम है. ग्रीक में क्लोरस को कहते हैं ग्रीनिश येलो. क्लोरस मीन्स ग्रीनिश येलो and that is why we call it as a chlorine. Okay, preparation. When we are heating manganese dioxide plus HCl, we are getting MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus water. So this is, however, the mixture of the common salt and concentrated sulfuric acid is used in the place of HCl. हम common salt NaCl and H2SO4 use कर लेते हैं in the place of HCl. So we can be using this NaCl plus Mn2 plus sulfuric acid, which can give you MnCl2. What is NaHSO4? Sodium hydrogen sulfate. Also we have water molecule and chlorine molecule. By the action of HCl on potassium permanganate. So we are having KMnO4 plus HCl, that is going to give you KCl, MnCl2 water plus 5 moles of chlorine. Dear students, let me tell you, all these are the simple preparation. There is no explanation such why this is happening. These are the simple preparation. You are mixing materials and you are obtaining the product. Manufacturing of the chlorine. Preparation used in manufacture Decon's process by oxidation of heating hydrogen chloride gas by atmospheric oxygen in the presence of copper chloride, that is catalyst, at 723 Kelvin. HCl plus O2, CuCl2, that gives you 2Cl2 plus 2 moles of water. Electrolytic process. Chlorine is obtained by the electrolysis of brine. This reaction we have done in class 10. हम class 10 में पढ़ चुके हैं that we are taking the brine solution, that is concentrated solution of NaCl. बहुत सारा NaCl और थोड़ा सा पानी, उसको हम बोलते हैं brine solution. And फिर क्या किया था हमने, उसका electrolysis किया था. When we have done the electrolysis, at one terminal what was liberated? Chlorine gas was liberated. And at one terminal what was liberated? Hydrogen gas was liberated. And what was formed inside? If you remember, NaOH. What do we call that process as? A chlor-alkali process. Properties. It is a greenish yellow gas with a pungent and suffocating odor. It is about 2 to 5 times heavier than the air. वो air से 2 to 3 times 5 times heavier है. It can be liquefied easily into greenish yellow liquid which boils at 239 Kelvin. It is soluble in water. So what we are using the solution of HCl. HCl is actually a gas. Chlorine reacts with a number of metals and non-metals to form the chlorides. Chlorine can react with metal also and with non-metal also. The certain reactions are given over here which you can go throughout. It has a greater affinity for hydrogen. It reacts with compound containing hydrogen to form HCl. जहाँ पे H present हो वहाँ पे वो combine होके HCl form करता है, ठीक है. With the cold and dilute alkalis, chlorine produces a mixture of chlorine and hypochlorite, but with the hot and concentrated alkali, it gives chlorine and chlorate. So this is the difference over here, particularly with the reaction. कि अगर आपका जो मटेरियल है, अगर आप जो क्लोरीन यूज कर रहे हो, alkali chlorine, you are using dilute and cold one, so you will be getting mixture of chloride and hypochlorite. But when you are using hot and concentrated alkalis, it gives you chloride and chlorate. So this is the difference over here. So both the reactions are given. Dear student, you are able to say hypochlorite is given over here, where it is going to give you the chlorates. Chlorates are your NaCl2. Okay. Further, we are able to see it is also giving you the bleaching powder. This is also we have studied in class 10, and how does it produces the bleaching powder. Chlorine reacts with the hydrocarbons and gives the substitution reaction. Dear student, we have seen this reaction also, that 4 hydrogens of the methane one by one can be substituted by the chlorine and you can get the methylated chlorines. Okay, your chloromethanes can be possible. Even with the ethene, it is able to give you 1,2-dichloroethane. 1,2-dichloroethane, is it vicinal or geminal? Is it vicinal or geminal? That you have to answer me in the comment section. Let us see whether you are able to identify it or not. Chlorine water on standing loses its yellow color. अगर आप उसको ऐसे ही रखेंगे तो उसका yellow color lost हो जाएगा. Formation of HCl, HOCl. Hypochlorous acid is so formed gives the nascent oxygen which is responsible for the oxidizing agent and the bleaching properties of the क्लोरीन. अगर पूछेंगे आपका जो HCl है वो आपका ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट कैसे है, तो यू हैव टू गिव द आंसर दैट इट इज एबल टू फॉर्म द HCl plus HOCl. and your hypochlorous acid, this one, your hypochlorous acid is able to give you the nascent oxygen, single oxygen, and that is why it is a strong oxidizing agent. Chlorine oxidizes the ferrous to ferric and sulfite to sulfate. Chlorine oxidizes sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide and iodine to iodate. Very important. You have to remember that how the chlorine is able to change their oxidation states. So here are all the reactions given over here. You can go throughout it, and still if you have any doubts, let me know. Let us go further. Chlorine is a powerful bleaching agent. Bleaching action is due to the oxidation. It bleaches vegetable or organic matter in the presence of the moisture. Bleaching effect of the chlorine is permanent. Bleaching effect of the chlorine, chlorine का जो bleaching effect होता है वो permanent होता है. It cannot be changed. Okay. So Cl2 plus water that gives you HCl plus O. Colored substance plus oxygen, colorless substance. हम बोलते हैं ना, हम ब्लीचिंग जब यूज़ करते हैं तो कलर निकल जाता है, कपड़ों पे से कलर निकल जाता है. तो उसका रीज़न ये है, इट इज़ एबल टू गिव यू द nascent oxygen, and nascent oxygen when captured by the color become colorless, and this is the phenomena where we are using the bleaching and we are losing the color of our clothes. Uses. It is used it is used in number of places. It is used for bleaching the wood pulp. हम जो papers बनाते हैं, we are using the wood pulp. So if the wood pulp is colored one, we can go for bleaching it and make it pure one. There are different kind of the books available in which the paper quantity, the color of the paper is differing. Some is like a pale yellow, some is like a very bright white. So why this difference is there? Depending on the type of the material they are using during the manufacturing. Okay, paper and rayon, bleaching cotton and textile. In the extraction of the gold and platinum, we are also using it in the extraction of the gold and platinum. In the manufacturing of dyes, drugs and organic compounds such as CCl4, CH4Cl2, DDT. What is DDT? Dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. You can just check the full form of this one. Refrigerant, etc. It is also used in sterilizing water, and it is also used in preparation of the poisonous gas, very important name, which is known as phosgene. ये आपको ऑब्जेक्टिव में बहुत बार पूछा गया है, that which is the poisonous gas prepared by the chlorine. So your answer is phosgene. COCl2 formula is given. Tear gas. Okay, dear students, do you know what is tear gas? Sometimes when there is a communal riots, जब कभी दंगे फसाद होते हैं, बहुत सारी पब्लिक इकट्ठा हो जाती है, and police is trying to have the control over there, and still the people are not in control. So what they start to do, even they start lathi charge, means they are hitting the people with the stick, or else they can use the another source, that is the tear gas. Tear gas means they are using the gun and they may be giving the shots of the tear gas, and that gas which is released over there, it starts giving you the tears in the eye. It is irritating the eye and it starts with the tears. So people just go for running here and there, and that is how somewhere they try to control such a kind of the collectedness of the people. So that is how it is used over there. Mustard gas, a very long formula is there. Still remember it. It could be asked in the objective type of the questions. So dear students, this we have seen with the preparation of the chlorine.